Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we will do a multiple time frame analysis for Bitcoin. However, before we start, as usual, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from a weekly time frame. After we printed 9 weeks, the red candle, and people are still keep counting after we printed the 7th weekly candle, still counting the color of the candles. However, as I mentioned in the previous videos, the color of the candles, it really doesn't make sense. As long as based on a weekly time frame, we are staying below $36,500, then the weekly time frame will stay heavily under the bear's control. If we're going to claim, which is slightly early, then we're going to look into lower time frames. If we're going to claim this resistance as a support, then the weekly time frame will back into the consolidation. So based on a weekly time frame, the level is clear. $36,500, $37,000 will give us a consolidation level. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, we've got 3 levels above us, and also we've got Fibonacci levels based on a lower time frame. However, based on a daily time frame, $30,931 is going to be first resistance in order to claim, and then the next level on a daily time frame is going to be 34,700 levels. Within claiming these 2 levels, daily level will get back into the consolidation level. However, once we lost $59,500, $60,000, daily time frame entered heavily under the bear's control. Twice we tested the strong level that we followed over 5 months, those levels, and in advance that I provided the support and resistance levels. And we shorted again right in the strong resistance that was around $48,000 and $50,000. As soon as we exited based on a daily time frame, still we are short and we didn't have an exit signal. We saw massive correction or dump in the market, 57%. However, with the current price action, we are down 50%. And still, as I said, we do not have an exit signal. Without claiming, the last resistance, $36,837,000, is going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. So the first resistance that I will be keep an eye on, that's going to be $31,000. Without claiming this resistance, we've got support levels down below us based on a lower time frame. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And 101 intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Based on a 4-hour time frame, we've got extremely important the fib levels as well as the horizontal, the resistance levels. So without claiming 0.33 as well as $30,150 all the way up to $31,000, it is going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario based on a 4-hour time frame. As well as I mentioned in the last and then previous videos that about this price action, and there is a chance based on a 2-hour time frame we may get a bullish scenario, but I will be expecting how we're going to react on that 4-hour time frame. And a 4-hour time frame, as soon as we had a bullish setup right around here, and it was a week, and I mentioned about this week bullish signal in the last 2 videos. Once we broke 0.382 as well as 0.33, the Fibonacci levels, we had a 4-hour bullish setup. However, it wasn't enough for me to change the trend. And I said, it's not enough to change the trend that we shorted from 45,500 level. And we started shorting, if you remember, right from $48,000 from strong resistance. Then for the conservative traders, right around here, we shorted from 45,500 level. And we do not have an exit signal yet. And still, if you shorted right from 45,500, we saw massive correction, 45%. However, with the current price action, 35% dump in the market. Even if you have an exit signal based on a 4-hour time frame, with your stop loss, if you manage it properly, you should close your position over 25% plus profit. However, at this stage, we're in consolidation and it's getting a bit weak and struggling. If we're going to get rejection right from these levels, highly likely, as I said, we're going to test the 0.618, the golden pocket in the first place. However, we've got slightly lower levels below us, but it is going to be early for us to talk about in this video. So the levels that I'm going to watch is going to be important level 30,100 all the way up to 28,000, 27,700, the golden pocket levels. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. Based on a 2-hour time frame, as soon as we broke $29,500, $30,000, we had a bullish setup. As I said, highly likely this might be a fake out if we don't get a proper bullish setup based on a 4-hour time frame. And as expected, second time we had a fake out based on a 2-hour time frame. If you're a swing trader, you better have your proper support and resistance levels based on a 4-hour time frame when you have a range environment. And current condition of 2-hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control. As soon as we lost this level of 30,500, we went under the bear's control, retested, rejection as you can see, and then now we are back to under the bear's control. I'm not expecting the bullish scenario currently, so the levels that I'm going to watch is going to be 0.618, the golden pocket. Highly likely in the coming hours, we might get a rejection right from $30,000, $31,000. And we might see this type of price action. Based on a 2-hour time frame, again, without claiming $31,000, it is going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. However, I'm not giving too much weight and attention at the moment, 31,000 level. 1-hour time frame is already heavily under the bear's control, and in this episode, I'm not going to cover 1-hour time frame. We've got clear levels, and we came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.